Welcome back, everybody. So just like we just used the about.html, we just added the about.html, or we added the subdirectories. In the same way, we can do one more thing. Like here, I'm adding another click here and click here, and there I can even add the pages which are even not included in any same website, like the external links. That kind of links are called external links. So if their links, these links are over the internet, we have to add the HTTP hypertext transfer protocol, and this is secure because I'm gonna add the Google one, so google.com. okay, so there, click here to Google, something like that, whatever. Now go to the browser back, and I'm just gonna refresh the page. So there is a click here to Google, click on it and it'll be redirecting to the Google. You can see that we're on a Google now. That means it's actually working. And HTTP means hypertext transfer protocol, means some website which is over the internet. An external link, it's an external link, so we have to do this. And yeah, it's working, you can see that. But what if I just instead of just going directly to that page, I just want to open a window of that page there. I just want to frame that page here. So how we can do this? Absolutely, here I'm adding the iframe, and inside the iframe I'm gonna use the attribute which is src. Src is a fixed attribute, like we used a fixed attribute before. It's another fixed attribute, and inside this I'm gonna add the value, something like for the fixed attribute. Again, the HTTP, I can add the pages. First of all, I think I should add the page of these pages. So about.html. okay, inside the index.html, I'm adding the about.html, and I'm just going to the browser back and refreshing the page. So there you can see that, hi, this is the about page. Okay, this page, refresh that, so you can see that this is a page. Hi, this is the about page. You can see that, hi, this is the about page, and click here to go to home page. If I just click there, I'm still inside this frame, this iframe. This is called the iframe, but you can see that now I'm inside the home page, and inside this frame, because I just clicked there and that click had the home page. So now you can see that, hi, this is the about page, and etc, everything is there. You can still see that. Now if I just click there again, this will have another iframe. So this is how it works. If I just go back, and you can see that this is how it's working, how we can add the iframe. In the same way, if you just want to add the iframe of the external source, again we have to add the HTTP. If the website has the HTTPS, means secure SSL, then you have to add the S, otherwise the HTTP is enough. Google.com, and save it. Now go back to the browser, refresh the page. So there is the Google. I'm increasing the height and width, the width attribute. I'm adding this around 600 or 700 px. Save it and refresh that again. So height 700 pixels. Save it. Now go back to the browser, refresh the page. I just normalized the screen size. I think I'm not having any kind of data inside this. It's not getting added. It seems Google is not allowing the data to be iframed, so no problem, we can use another source. I'm adding there something like maybe youtube.com. it's another Google product, but let me try, refresh that, and okay, YouTube is also not allowed. Going back and adding something different, bing.com. Save and go to the browser back and refresh that. Yeah, it's allowed, by the way. Now you can see that. Okay, now I started loving the Bing from now. So by the way, this is how you can simply add the external domain, external link inside the iframe. You can see that. And meanwhile, you just learned about the width and height, These are different variable, different attributes. We'll be using, instead of the width and height, we'll be using the something different like the CSS. So no problem, but when you know, then you know, no problem. So let's just talk about the pixel for now. Each pixel is each point of the screen. A single point is a pixel. We'll be talking about the pixels later on when we will be starting talking about the CSS, so no problem for now. I was just showing you the iframe, but there are little things you need to know about the iframe, but not now. When we will be starting talking about the CSS, we'll be talking about how we can just adjust it using the CSS, like removing the border and etc. So no problem. For now, we're leaving this class right now. Stay tuned and goodbye.